One of the quickest ways to accrue miles and points is by credit card. That's a pretty well-known fact. However, once you start getting a bunch of different credit cards, sometimes it becomes difficult to get new cards, especially if you've had them all already. That's where business credit cards are an amazing way to just basically double the amount of points and miles you can get from credit card applications. However, there are some things you should know before you just go out and start applying for business credit cards. So first off, when you apply for a business credit card, it will hit your personal credit. It's the same as opening a personal credit score. You're looking at about a 2 to 5 point temporary hit on your credit report. However, once a business credit card is opened, it sits on your business credit report. Now, the advantage here is that the #1 factor of your personal credit score is how much you're using your available credit. So if you're using half of your available credit, even if you pay it off on time, a lot of times that credit will report to the credit reporting agencies and your score will drop. If you use business credit cards for your purchases, your credit utilization won't be affected because it's on your business credit report. Now, the downside here is that business credit cards generally have higher APRs and they have less consumer protections. The Card Act that was passed a couple years ago really clamped down and put in protections for consumers that credit card companies can't change the fee out of nowhere. Those don't apply to business credit cards, so be careful. Don't run balances. In general, you shouldn't be running big balances on mileage cards because they have higher APRs than cards that generally don't give rewards. But be very careful with using your business credit. But if you're smart and can pay your bills off on time, it can be a great way to maintain your really good personal credit score and also be racking up miles and points from sign-up bonuses and really good category spend bonuses. Now, what exactly qualifies as a business? Do you need to be running this huge operation in order to get a business credit card? And the answer is no. When I first started the Points Guy, it was really just an idea in my head. I didn't have much money and I didn't feel like creating an LLC. So I operated as a sole proprietorship. This is how many small businesses start. So if you're thinking about doing a consulting business on the side, it's absolutely normal. Even before you hire an employee or have huge revenue, most small businesses lose money in the beginning. You can absolutely apply for a business credit card using your social security number as a sole proprietorship. Now, absolutely do not lie on your credit card applications. That's not smart, but you don't need to have this gigantic enterprise to get approved. You'd be very surprised. I think most credit card issuers understand that small businesses start small. So you don't have to impress them or trump up numbers. Just be honest what your business does. It can be your name if you're in consulting. It doesn't have to be fancy. So there you have it. Once you have business credit cards, you'll be surprised at how many different category spend bonuses there are out there. And it really opens up a whole new world of rewards. So please feel free to comment below if you have any questions.